Welcome to our room.
We've got our beautiful terrazzo tiles, underfloor heating.
Oh, it's so warm. Oh.
But that one huge mistake broke everyone's hearts.
There's the wall.
What is it? What are they saying? I don't understand.
See that? See how that's getting big, smaller, smaller, smaller.
I can't believe that.
Oh, that's gonna hurt, man. That's gonna hurt.
That sucks. That's devastating.
My hat goes off to Harry because he could have just had a sook and gone, nah, I'm not gonna, it's stuffed, I won't do it.
Yeah.
But he went all out and finished, which I respect immensely.
Yeah, so do I. It's really beautifully done. Look at this tiling. It's perfect.
Wow, that's a big fix.
Well, Harry and Tash have already made a start on that big, delicate fix.
So they're taking all the tiles off that corner. They're quite easy to come off because they haven't quite dried yet. So the membrane isn't being damaged, which is great. So it looks like we'll have a, it'll be an easy repair.
And with those tiles removed, the structural team can get in and straighten up that wall.
So the wall's been pushed back. It is now plumb. So now the tiles, when they get laid, they'll get laid correctly.
You've been busy, mate.
I've been busy, yes.
So what they've done, they've run a saver saw down the back, freed that side wall up from the rear wall, and just shifted it over.
And then plumbed it?
From my point of view, it looks okay.
Yep.
The way I see it now is you fill that back up.
Yep.
And you re-waterproof it,
and
then carry on. I think you're okay, but I just want to speak to the surveyor and builder and make sure they're also happy with it.
No problem at all.
I'll get those guys in now and we'll have a look.
Yep.
And we'll take it from there.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Is that a relief, Harry?
Mate, I'm sweating so much. Oh, you know, I can't believe we at least we've recovered it. We don't have to replace, 2 walls. So hopefully everything comes back good.
I haven't said yes yet, Harry.
Yeah. Have I spoken this in?
I haven't said totally yes yet.
I said if it comes back okay, approved from others, then I think we've dodged a bullet.
Maybe.
Maybe.